Hi, I'm Dr. Pallavi Prakash and I've done my MBBS from Vydehi Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, Whitefield, Bangalore. I've passed out in the year 2020 and I'm here to help the initiative which is done by Medical Mentor, that's KYC and BYC, Know Your College Before You Join, to help all the UG aspirants. So let me share my overview about Vydehi Medical College and my experience here. Coming to the academic part and the practical exposure in Vydehi is really good. Teaching wise, even from first year where it's mostly academic subjects and from dissection hall to even physiology practicals and the biochemistry labs are very well equipped with a good infrastructure, with good facilities, which will help each individual student to learn in a better way. So even coming to the second year subjects like pathology and microbiology, pharmacology and the forensic medicine, in every subject, being from the classroom teaching to the practical lab teaching, everything is done in a very disciplined and organized way, which will help every single student to learn their skills and the knowledge wise very well. Then coming to the clinical part, when we come to third year and fourth year, the clinical exposure is really good. It's given equal importance as how they give for the academics. So morning we have all the clinical classes where it is taken very strictly. The students themselves have to go and expose themselves to the patients, which will actually give them the confidence how to move forward and talk to patients. And then you do have good clinical classes also, which is held in hospitals itself. The patient inflow is also good in Vydehi with well-equipped infrastructure in the hospital for all the patients, and different kinds of variety cases do come so that the students get a good exposure at the level of MBBS. Coming to the surgical aspect, all the OTs are, they varied, all the branches, like all the super specialty OTs are also there, where the MBBS students have the opportunity to go and observe every OT by themselves, and they do get an idea of every single branch when it comes to super specialty also. So coming to hostel facilities, it's really good. There are different kind of sharing rooms, single room, depending on your preferences. The food is pretty good, and they do serve non-veg also once in a week. And the cleaning is also done twice a week in all the hostel rooms. There are certain timings for in and out of the hostel in the night. And coming to my experience, the OPD and IPD patients, medicine and OBG is a very good department, and where they have good amount of patient inflow also in them. And when it comes to surgery, they do get a good exposure, as in to observe, and they do get some chances to do. All of us are posted in all the departments, from specialty to super specialty branches. Every student, they have a good number of patients, and they deal with good number of patients also. Some of the good departments in my college would be anatomy and biochemistry, and all the second year subjects departments are good because the teaching and the practical exposure is really good. And coming to the clinical aspect, departments like medicine and OBG is good, where you can learn and see a good number of patients. So next, talking about my internship experience at Vydehi Hospital. It is a multi-specialty hospital, so it has all the branches, and all the interns are posted in every single department, so that they get a good exposure of every single department, so that they can choose their branch wisely even in future.